You find these at the Asian supermarket. If not, no worries. You can just use a processor or a blender, okay? So I have a vermicelli noodle here. Shrimp paste, maybe like 1/4 of a teaspoon. I don't want to put too much. For color, I'm gonna do a little bit of crab paste, 1/4 of a teaspoon as well. I do have a papaya tutorial, so if you want that, you can do as well. So these are the brands that I use. I'm not sponsored. Shrimp paste, like a seafood taste. I have that. Put your peppers in. $15 for me is like a minimum. 15 is good. If I want real spicy, I do like 30. If you guys are new to my channel, consider subscribing to my YouTube channels. I live in SoCal, so I do a lot of food tour in LA, Orange County, and sometimes San Diego, Inland Empire. So I have a lot of Asian recipe tutorials too, with written recipes. Just open up the description. Scroll through my video list and maybe consider subscribing. And I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So now we're just gonna smash this to a paste. Be careful. Add in your tomatoes. It's gonna add so much juice to this. Add in your tomatoes. Just give it a little squish, slight bruise. And now I'm gonna put my pork ham. In goes my fish sauce. I'm gonna add my lime. Squeeze in my lime. I like it juicy. For flavor, I just throw the lime peel in there too. Push everything in. Hold it really well. MSG. For umami flavor. Now put in your vermicelli rice noodles. Squish away. Okay. Wow. This is Thum Sua. So pretty much it's Khao Poon with like whatever you want to add. So I added some meatball and some jalua, Vietnamese pork ham. Woo! Spicy. This goes so well with the Khao Poon noodles. This much is pretty much the Bumba Way noodles. Kind of like with like a nuc jam sauce with jalua. But it has mambruk paste in it too. Kapi, garlic, tomatoes, lime to make it juicy. Acidity from the tomatoes. It's salty, umami, savory. This is how I always eat. Those are my palate, my flavor. Look at the jalua. The peppers hanging onto it. Woo. Pepper's starting to kick in. At first when you eat it, the pepper's like, oh, it's okay. And you're like, add more pepper, you know? But I learned from my mistakes. Keep eating it, it gets more spicy. Tomato, lime, nước mắm, fish sauce, nam pla combination is just so good. Tomato patis with garlic, pepper. Ooh! It's so good. Alright, the chilies is just hanging on to each noodle strand. And the tomato, it's just dripping. Let me take a bite. This is Thum Sua. Noodles khanom jin. This pairs so well. Like a spicy chicken nugget. My noodle there. I'm starting to sweat. Alright guys, getting spicy. I'll finish this. I'm gonna save this for later. You guys know how I eat. Every day I eat spicy. It's a must for me. I always chase. But now, when it gets too spicy, I just take breaks. Finish it later. For dinner. I love tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes, they're so sweet. Ooh, look at that broth. Oh. So thick and savory and juicy. Alright guys, thanks for watching.